So now over here, you don't basically write I will. A lot of people make this mistake. It is already added over here, as you can see. So you will basically start by what can you do. So I will say I will develop an amazing website for you. So this is basically how we write the title of the gig. Now, once you have written the title, the next thing is the category. You have to select the category that is related to the service or the skills that basically you have. So the service that I'm offering is regarding website development. So my category is going to be something very related to that. So over here, you can see programming in tech. Website development includes programming and technology. So this is what I will be selecting. There are many options that you have. So let's go with what we want to select, programming and tech. And once we do that, we have to actually select a subcategory as well. So subcategory is basically what exactly are you offering? The one that makes a lot of sense is going to be web programming. So I'm going to go with that. And we have also selected a subcategory as well. Now, after you have done that, it says basically service type. What kind of service type? Custom websites, web application, bug fixes. What are you trying to do in website development? This is what it's trying to ask you. So we are basically trying to build custom websites. So this is what I will be selecting. Now, once I've done that, it will ask me that select the language you provide services for. So you can select multiple over here. As you can see, HTML and CSS. Website development also includes JavaScript. So you can actually select the one that makes more sense. So we are going to go with HTML and CSS since we know that is the main language that you need when it comes to website development. So once that is selected, we go to search tags. Now this is a very crucial part in making a gig, and you have to be very careful and you have to be very precise on what you enter over here. Search tag basically are keywords. For example, if you when someone searches for web developer, how will you ensure that your gig comes up? So over here you give this search keywords. Basically, what should the user search for in order to basically in order for Fiverr to make your gig appear on the screen? So if I want to basically, if I say if someone searches for web developer or web designer, then I can select that. So now if anyone will say, basically search for a web designer, my gig will show up. I can enter a maximum of 5. So I'm going to add another one. I'm going to enter a webmasters, for example. Then I'm going to enter website, build website, something like that. Then over here, you can say HTML, CSS. Something that's all of the keywords that are related to my work. So we added 4 over here. Let's just add one more. So we can also basically say web application, because web development also includes building web applications. So there we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keywords that we have selected over here. And at max, you can only basically select 5 of these tags. So now that means that if the user searches for any of these 5 things, my gig or basically my service will show up on the screen.